Hi, all of you already heard about the latest update of Android 11. But some of you may be not known the facts of or the features of Android 11. Now initially Google has rolled out the latest Android 11 operating system to only Pixel phones. Now brands like OnePlus, Xiaomi, Realme and others have already confirmed it, and many other brands will roll out as well. So this is a great news for OnePlus, Xiaomi, Realme and many other brands of smartphones. Android 11 does not look drastically different when compared to Android 10. However, Google has added some useful features to it. The biggest changes that Google has introduced you: how easily you can chat with people, better privacy features, smart home controls, artificial intelligence based predictive tools and more. Not to forget, you will also get the option to record your screen by default in any Android 11 phone. But some of you may say that this feature has been offered by a lot of phones already. Now, here are the top 8 features to look forward to in Android 11. Number 1. You can better manage your chats and reply to people instantly who are frequently chat with. A new conversation tab in the notification drawer will let you see and respond to chats from all messaging apps. You can also select the contacts with whom you always chat. You can also have these as priority conversations that will pop up on your lock screen. Next, you can multitask. You can multitask while chatting with chat bubbles. You are already familiar with the Facebook Messenger chat bubble? A similar thing is now rolled out for all messaging apps. With chat bubbles, you can continue to chat while watching something to do something else. You can pin conversations to make it appear on top of other apps and screens. Next, you can save and see notifications later. If you have to dismiss a particular notification, you will be able to turn notification history and see all the notifications that you have received in 24 hours. This is the default screen recorder on Android 11. You no longer will have to download a screen recorder app, as Google is providing it by default in Android 11. You can access it in the quick settings panel by swiping your home screen down. Next, Android 11 will offer you a better media controller. Android 11 offers a refined media controller, and you can also toggle the audio output. For example, if you want to use the phone speaker to hear something despite having your Bluetooth earphones connected, you can do so by simply tapping on a dedicated button without having to disconnect the earphone and then reconnect it. Next, native home control. Now that is the smart home control that Android 11 offers. You can change the temperature of the room, switch off lights. You will have to just long press the power button to see and manage your connected device. This is the way you can also access Google Pay. Next, you can give one-time permission to apps instead of opting for providing permission all the time or only while using the tab. With Android 11, you can give one-time permission while using a particular app. Also, Android 11 automatically resets or switches off permissions of apps that haven't been used for a long time. Next, Google can roll out important security fixes through Google Pay. While you will have to wait for your mobile brand to provide Android updates and security patches, Google has now added in a feature in Android 11 through which it can roll out crucial security fixes from the Google Play Store itself. Hope it will find you all the details of Android 11 in your smartphone. Let's hope for the best and hope for the future to come. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video from Electronics with Expert, please subscribe the channel.